you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. This is your girl Melissa coming with you to show you how I do a prop for a bouquet. I was just showing you guys the rose petals that I got that I'm going to use for the shoot also. So basically I got all these roses on a Dollar Tree. They were $3 per bundle. They were a little bit on the pricier side, but when I tell you guys, if you can, sorry for the angle. I'm sorry, you guys, for the way that the angle look, but this is what they look like, you guys. And when you see them in person, they actually look like roses. They don't look like artificial flowers at all. Here I'm just showing you guys how I remove the tag. I just popped the top of the rose off and slipped the tag out. That's all I did, and I put the top of the rose back on and slipped the leaf up to everything's on the top. You guys, I had to just keep hitting these flowers to get all that baby breath stuff off that you see was falling off. You can see it on my pants. I was trying to get majority it off as best as I can, so it won't be a mess doing a photo shoot. And this right here, I was showing you guys how I spreaded them apart, because the look I'm going for, I will put it in here, the inspiration photo that I got off of Pinterest. And it's basically just like the rose covering the top part of the body, and you will just get the look when you see the photo. But that's all basically I was trying to do. And like I said, I just repeated the same patterns. Now with the baby breaths, there is a trick that you can do where you get all this fallout. Once you get majority of the fallout out, you can go back and get some good hairspray and spray the baby breath, and you won't have this problem. Me, once I knocked them all off, I didn't really have that much fallout because I got everything basically that fell out. This is in real time, so you can see how I'm doing everything, but I will speed this video up and get exactly to the point where I'm showing you guys how I put this all together. But like I said, when you're doing a set, you can get things as cheap as the dollar store, Walmart, anywhere where you can find props and stuff. You don't have to spend a lot of money to do sets and have props for photo shoots. I'm all about doing everything on a budget, so this is why I created this channel and why I'm showing you guys this, because as a photographer, our equipment costs enough alone, and doing sets for people or doing sets for yourself can be pricey, but you can also achieve the same look on a budget. So don't think you have to spend a lot of money to go out here and buy all these fancy equipment, background props and stuff to do a photo shoot, especially if you're starting out and you're just trying to get yourself out there. It's not that hard to find things to use, and just get creative with it, because as photographers, we are creative anyway. So the more creative you are, the more you can get different looks for your photo. And everyone likes to stand out. Everyone doesn't want to repeat the same thing that they see other photographers do. You want to stand out from the crowd. And me personally, that's how I am. I don't like to repeat the same thing I see other photographers do. I try to stand out. Some of the things may look the same, but I just do different techniques and put my own little spin on it. And that's what makes you different from the rest. That's what makes your photo stand out from the rest and gain you clientele. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up. You guys can listen to the music in the background, and once I get to the part that I was explaining to you guys, I will slow it down and come back. Alrighty guys, you made it this far. This is the end where I was going to explain what I was doing. As you can see, I took a hair tie that I had on hand. You can also take a rubber band that's stretchy enough to put around the bottom of the bouquet. I would consider it. And I did towards the end get some electrical black tape and wrap around the ends, which you will see in the video. But yeah, like I said, it's so easy to make little props and set for photo shoots. It don't have to be that expensive to do little props. Right here, one of the rose top fell off, so as full as this was, I wasn't too concerned about it, so I just tossed it to the side and left it out. So yeah, this is exactly what I was trying to show you guys, and I'm going to show you exactly the background and also how I was going to use these bouquet of flowers and basically the photo that you're seeing, what I was going for. So basically you're just going to put these up like this, and you're going to have to Photoshop in between where it's so bare, but if you want to add more roses to it, that's fine. But me personally, I just left it like that and just Photoshop extra stems in and did what I had to do, so it would, a lot of stuff wouldn't be exposed because of course this was topless. So alright, I want to say thank you to all that's watching, all that may be inspired by my content. Like I said, I'm here to help people and on a budget. Beginner photographers, OG photographers, anyone who's trying to do sets at a low cost, because this world, everything's expensive, and why not do things on a budget and get some photos in. So I will have some photos towards the end of what my photos came out. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in another video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.